property of the spring, and then they just figure out how long it takes going back, and you can use math to figure out the mass of the person at the end of the spring. Over. We sure do. We exercise up here for 2 hours every day, and so when we're exercising, especially doing the aerobic exercise like running on the treadmill or using the exercise bike, we sweat. The interesting thing is that, of course, on the ground, that sweat runs down because gravity carries it down towards the ground. In space, that sweat just kind of stays on your skin, and so you have to wipe it off with a towel. Over. Well, we've brought seeds up into space, and I think we've harvested fruit that have had seeds in it, or not fruit, but maybe something like tomatoes, which is a fruit, I guess. But we've grown things up here, and during our mission, we actually had the opportunity to grow some lettuce and eat it, and it was wonderful. Over. It's very difficult to see other satellites, but occasionally if the lighting is right, you can see satellites. Out the window for a full 4 hours. It's pretty amazing. We go around the Earth every 90 minutes, and so that's a pretty cool thing. That we can use. It uses voice over internet protocol, and so I'm able to speak with my family every day. And then we also have the opportunity to see our families once a week. We use a telecommunication software, and we get to have a video conference with our families every week. Over. Okay, I hear you now. Great question. We spent about 2.5 years in training, and we use simulators and computer software to train for launch and re-entry. And then the time that we use simulators using our work and experiments. Over. It's a great question, and it has a lot to do with physics, and then also it's important for us to know how that a candle would burn, because we want to be able to protect against that, of course, from having a fire in the space station. Candle would probably just burn out because there's no gravity for the hot air to move away from the candle, and it would use up all the oxygen in the local vicinity and then burn out. Over.